Good evening. Good evening, all. This is Pitambar Nachatan Pisharadi from PDM Advisors Private Limited. Now we will be analyzing the Nifty and Bank Nifty on a where to find the support and resistance of Nifty and Bank Nifties, and similarly using grid lines for trading Nifty and Bank Nifty on an intraday basis. So if you see here, the Nifty has a resistance at 18,648. The second resistance is at 18,177. The third resistance is at 18,173, and the fourth resistance is at 17,711. Similarly, it has a support at 16,938, and the second support is at 16,549.50. Now Nifty is at the resistance level, so there will be a big move only if it starts trading about 17,711, and if there is a fall, then it can come down up to 16,938. Now if you see the Nifty chart, here the market opened with a big blue candle, and then there was a drop. It touched the blue line, and the blue line is our buy line, and this red line is the stop loss. If the market opens up and comes down to this blue line, we are supposed to enter a trade with a stop loss of 50 points. Similarly, your target would be the upper blue line, which is approximately 150 points. Now today, the market being moving in a very narrow range, we could not get the target. But if you see at 3 o'clock, we had reached a price of 17,671. So if you look, you are getting approximately 96 points in case of Nifty, and your stop loss was never breached by this on this day. Now secondly, if you look at the support and resistance of Bank Nifty, you will find that Bank Nifty is trading above all the super trends. That means Bank Nifty is more bullish than compared to Nifty. Here the first support is at 38,781. The second support is 37,755. Third support is 36,642. Fourth is 35,558. Fifth support is at 34,473, and sixth support is at 33,389. Since this is being bullish, since the candle is above all the super trends, we assume that the market will remain bullish for a few more days. Now, if you look at the intraday target of using the grid lines, you can see here also there was a big blue candle at opening at 9:15. We are looking here at a 5-minute chart, so you can see that it was a very big candle. Then it started consolidating. It touched the blue line. That means you could enter at this line, and with a very small stop loss of 50 points, you could have entered this trade. The market moved higher and higher, but it did not reach the target of 39,975, but closed in the end at around 38,829. So if you see, it was approximately 200 points from 39,625. So today the Nifty and Bank Nifty was in a very narrow range. That is the reason why we could not get your targets. But you can very clearly see that the stop loss also was not hit. This is how we trade using the grid lines, and every day I will be trying to show you the trades that could be taken using the grid lines after the market hours. Similarly, we can also look at the support and resistance based on the 6 super trend. Hope you will understand by seeing this analysis how to trade using the grid lines. Thank you for watching.